Tacoma, Washington. Moments after shots were heard, an armed female is seen running into a homeowner's backyard, and it looks like she has a revolver in her hands. The homeowner gets a motion alert on his Ring camera and comes outside armed with his Glock 19. The trespasser and the homeowner come face to face.
No.
Get out of my yard. Get out of my yard. I don't give a f***. Get out of my yard.
The armed female gets scolded by what sounds like a family member. He tells her she could have been killed.
Hide your Ring camera. Turn your Ring cam into a hidden camera with Cam Masker. Compatible with Ring Indoor Cam, Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery, and Ring Stick-Up Cam Plug-in. Cam Masker, the #1 way to hide your Ring cam. Cam Masker hides your Ring camera without interfering with its various functions. Order yours today at cammasker.com. Cam Masker, the #1 way to hide your Ring cam.